Have you ever thought about how you will catch a fish without a fishing rod? Of course, we have fishing nets. But can that provide us with the excitement that fishing rods can provide? Well, in this video, we will see some indispensable fishing gadgets. Agua drone. You might be aware of the different types of delivery drones, but have you ever heard of a drone for fishing here? We have the Agua drone. It can easily float on water and fly up, possibly due to its water-light casing, which also helps withstand the salt water. With this gadget, you can even find a fish 40 meters deep with the help of the sonar that comes with the gadget. The sonar can transmit data through Wi-Fi at 90 meters and has a remote-controlled payload pod. The drone can hold up to a kilogram of weight and is a special mention for the modular system. You can also add additional features to the gadget. For example, the Aqua Data module will analyze the water based on several parameters, such as the pH level. According to designers, the model combines modern technology and common sense. If you love to buy this cool gadget, then the price is around $149. USB rechargeable headlamp. USB rechargeable headlamp comes with a light source whose brightness can be adjusted based on the requirement. Species like carp and tilapia are vulnerable at night, so lighting equipment is highly recommended. It is simple and has a long life. We can easily charge it through the USB port. The Fishing Caddy. Now we will see a 5-in-1 product, which is a classy one according to its creators. The gadget is none other than the Fishing Caddy, which makes our fishing more organized and relaxed. It has padded swivel seat rod holders and an organizer for baits, hooks, and other fishing gear. The Fishing Caddy also comes with 2 LEDs that can be submerged, a special compartment filled with water for storing the fish, and a cup holder. The gadget initially resembles a paint bucket, which is a case for holding all the additions. Foldable Fishing Chair. The gadget comes with Oxford clothing, scratch-resistant and waterproof fabric, and a sponge cushion that provides comfort during all weather. Aluminum material can sit, lie, fold, and carry, and 4 legs can be raised or lowered. The gadget can adapt to complex terrain, with the fabric having fine knitting technology and a pinhole design that provides good permeability. The cushions are removable. Eskimo Wide One Inferno. Why don't we think of Eskimo Inferno as a winter fishing tent? It's clear right away that it is a fun product. The creators built a tent and then expanded the bottom area to 1.4 square meters with a height of 1.5 meters. So inside the tent, there is a lot of space for the fishermen and the fishing gear. In addition, the manufacturer offers different fabrics for the tent, and one among them is a 4-layer Storm Shield 900 den, which is suitable for extreme conditions and has a zipper that will not fail. This amazing gadget was developed by the Japanese YKK Group, the world's largest manufacturer of zippers. The overall gadget weighs around 28 kilograms, which explains the product's price to be $550. Sunline Super FC Sniper. Sunline Super FC Sniper is one of the most important fishing gadgets you must have in your box. Without it, you cannot go fishing. However, not all fishing lines are created equal, and Sunline Super FC Sniper is one you must give a shot at. One thing that makes this line so great is its rip resistance and fluorocarbon material. Even though the line is so strong, the anglers need not worry about it since the Sunline comes with a resin coating, and its function is to reduce the harshness of the fluorocarbon when casting. Rapala Fish and Fillet Knife. If you are a fishing enthusiast, the Rapala knife is a must-have gear with a genuine leather sheath. The product is classy, provides an aesthetic look, and will please your mind. The knife comes with a single-stage sharpener that will save you from the headache of dealing with a dull blade. The handle is made of varnished, reinforced birch and Swiss stainless steel blade. Fishing Fan Cam. How will you make an innovative fishing float that will make your competitors drown in envy? Here we come up with a solution, which is a fishing fan cam. All you have to do is to install a camera and add Wi-Fi support, and now you can enjoy broadcasts from the underwater world on your phone or tablet computer, whether Android or iOS. The gear can shoot HD videos at 30 frames per second, and for that purpose, you need to buy AA batteries, and you can now work for 2 to 3 hours. The cam floats on water weighs only 46 grams, and supports micro SD cards. However, the operating range is 100 meters, as visibility is more or less similar to a person looking through goggles. Garmin Striker Plus 4. One of the most amazing gears you can put on your paddle boat, and for $100, it's got every feature. The gear can track how fast you are going, and another cool feature it gives you with fish notification and acts as an alarm that goes off when it picks up a fish. You can also track the depth at which fish are moving and has a view mode where you can identify the structures of the lake and has a split frequency of 200 Hz. They are long-lasting and reliable and come with a display size of 4.3 inches. The gear comes with a GPS that allows the angler to mark any good fishing spots and has a quick draw feature to create a map of our fishing spots and display it on the screen. Crappie Coffin. You will be aware of that large fish that finally slips away thanks to the crappie coffin. It works in such a way that you drop a trap in a hole, and this gear will pull the fish into the trap and cannot go anywhere else. The trap is 25 to 35 centimeters in diameter and can work well even with a thin fishing line. The trap has a locking on a strap for depth adjustment, and the rubber plastic composite helps retain flexibility even in extreme cold. Willcraft. Do you know what the best solution for ice fishing and hunting is? It is none other than using a flat-bottom boat on wheels that weighs 522 kilograms and offers a payload of 306 kilograms. The engine has a horsepower of 26.5 and the fuel capacity is 19 liters. It helps in overcoming snow-covered mud and open water with ease. It offers us a great time in bad weather conditions, and if necessary, we can open 4 fishing holes having a diameter of 28 meters. It is more than just a means of transport to a fishing hole. The canvas enclosure and 2-inch insulated floor are designed to keep the occupants warm and dry. Buckets with rubber gadgets seal the fishing hole, and tires are inflated to provide flotation. The vehicle offers great mobility, comfort, and safety. We can even use it as a rescue vehicle. Overcap. Overcap is a great product, not only for fishermen, but also for hunters and hikers. It is very lightweight, weighs around 400 grams, works well in any weather, and protects the user from rain, snow, and sun. The hood is 36 centimeters high and 33 centimeters wide, and can be folded and unfolded in one motion. The gear comes with 3 color options, costing around $144. And with that, it's time to wrap up. What's your opinion about the gadgets? What do you guys have to say? Drop your views and answers in the comments section below. If you find it interesting, give us a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to us and hit the bell icon. If interested in similar content, refer to other videos on your screen. See you next time.